Tohatsu, singing if it's gonna pee.
Okay.
This thing's gonna fly down because of the wind.
Hold on.
We want to see the water pee from right there.
Something kind of funny. Okay, no need choke, okay? And now we go.
I can feel the air.
The air, but no water.
Okay, shut it down. I think you should just use a bigger bucket.
Okay.
Go higher up.
Go higher up, okay.
Where is the impeller?
Underneath.
It needs to be like higher up so it could be primed.
Okay.